students, welcome to Elga online class. The last class we revised the letter sounds from A to N. Today we revise the letter O to Z. Okay, are you ready? See the flashcard, students. What is the letter? The letter O. The name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. The sound of the letter A. Okay. Now let's see the slide. Okay. See some words for the sound. Okay. The name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. Okay. What is the first one? This is orange. Okay. A orange. Orange. Second one ox. Ox. Okay. Third one oil. Third one oil. Fourth one octopus. Fourth one octopus. Once again I read it so you can follow me. The first one is orange. Second one is axe. Third one oil. Fourth one octopus. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? The next letter P. Okay. Now go to the next letter. See the flashcard. What is the next letter? The name of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. Okay. The sound of the letter P. Now let's see the slide. See some words. Okay. See the slide, students. The first one is big. Pandu. Big. Okay. The second one pencil. P. Pencil. Okay. Third one P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Fourth one P. Plant. P. Plant. It's clear. Once again I read it. First one P. Big. Second one P. Pencil. Third one P. Parrot. Fourth one plant. It's clear. Now go to the next letter sound. Okay. See the next letter. What is the letter? The letter Q. The name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q. Okay. Now see the slide and see some words. The name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q. The first one is queen. The first one is queen. The second one is quail. Second one is quail. Okay. Third one is quill. Third one is quill. Last one quilt. Last one quilt. Okay. The name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q. The first one is queen. Okay. Second one quail. Okay. Third one quill. Fourth one quilt. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? What is the next letter? Yes, the letter is R. The name of the letter R. The sound of the letter R. Okay, the sound of the letter R. Now let's see the slide and see some words. Okay. Okay. The name of the letter R. The sound of the letter R. R. Rainbow. Do you know rainbow? It has 7 colors. First one is R. Rainbow. Second one is R. Rose. Okay. Third one R. Ring. Okay. Last one is R. Rain. It's clear. The name of the letter R. The sound of the letter R. First one rainbow. Okay. The second one rose. Third one ring. Fourth one rain. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? Yes, the letter. Yes, see the flashcard. The name of the letter. Yes, the sound of the letter. S. The sound of the letter is. Okay. Now let's see some words and look at the slide. Soup. Soup. Sofa. Sofa. Star. Star. Sun. Sun. It's clear. Once again and repeat it. The first one is soup. Okay. First one is soup. Second one sofa. Third one star. Last one sun. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? Okay, see the flashcard. The next letter T. Name of the letter T. The sound of the letter T. Okay, now let's see the slide and see some words for example. Okay, look at the slide. T, top. T, top. Do you know top? Pambaram. T, top. Second one, T, table. T, table. Okay. Third one, T, turtle. Turtle means amai. Okay. Turtle. T, turtle. Fourth one, T, tomato. T, tomato. Okay. Takkali. T, tomato. The name of the letter T. The sound of the letter T. First one is top. Second one is table. Third one is turtle. Fourth one is tomato. It's clear? Now go to the next letter sound. Okay. What is the next letter, students? Yes, the next letter U. Okay. The name of the letter U. The sound of the letter The sound of letter Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. And look at the slide. Okay. The name of the letter U. The sound of letter Okay. The first one is umbrella. Okay. First one is umbrella. Second one, uncle. Second one, uncle. Third one is up. Third one is up. Fourth one, unlock. Fourth one, unlock. Unlock. Okay. The name of the letter U. The sound of letter Okay. Umbrella. It brings in the rainy season. Do you know? Yes. Umbrella brings in the rainy season. The next one, uncle. Okay. Third one, up. Okay. Up. Last one, unlock. Unlock. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? Yes, V. The next letter V. The name of the letter V. The sound of the letter The sound of the letter Okay, it's clear? Now look at the slide. Okay, let's see some words. Okay, the name of the letter V. The sound of the letter First one, van. Van. Okay, vase. Vase. Vase means flower wash. Third one, violin. Violin. Fourth one, vegetables. Vegetables. Okay. First one, van, vase, violin. Fourth one, vegetables. Okay. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? Yes, the letter W. Okay. See the flashcard. The name of the letter W. The sound of the letter W. Okay. The sound of the letter W. Okay. Let's see some words. Look at the slide. Okay. First one, ball. 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 Watch. Second one, watch. Third one, watermelon. Third one, watermelon. Watermelon. Last one, water. Water. Okay. First one, ball. Second one, watch. Third one, watermelon. Last one, water. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter? See the flashcard. The next letter X. The name of the letter X. The sound of the letter Okay. Now let's see some words. Look at the slide. The name of the letter X. The sound of the letter Okay. The first one, box. Box. Attapu. Second one, fox. Nari. Fox. Nari. Okay. Third one, X-ray. Have you seen X-ray? Okay. This is X-ray. Look at the slide, students. X-ray. Okay. X-ray. Last one, mix. Mix. Okay. Once again read it. Please follow me. First one, box. Second one, fox. Third one, X-ray. Last one, mix. Mix. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. Okay. What is the next letter, students? Yes, the letter Y. Okay. See the flashcard. The name of the letter Y, the sound of the letter Y. The sound of the letter Y. Okay, now see the slide and see some words. Y, yolk. Y, yolk. Do you know yolk? This is manchakar. Regular manchakar. Y, yolk. Okay. Next one. Y, yarn. Y, yarn. Last third one. This is yellow color. Y, yellow. Y, yellow. Last one. Yak. Do you know yak? Cotton. Y, yak. Okay. The name of the letter Y, the sound of the letter Y. Y, yolk. Y, yarn. Y, yellow. Y, yak. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. Okay? What is the next letter, students? Yes, the last letter, 26th letter is Z. Okay? Yes. See the flashcard. The last letter is Z. Okay? The name of the letter is Z. The sound of the letter Z. Okay? Z. Now see the slide and look at some words. Okay. The name of the letter is Z. The sound of the letter Z. Okay. The first one zip. First one zip. Second one zoo. What is the meaning zoo? Mirga kachi sale. Zoo. Have you seen zoo? Okay. Zoo. Second one zoo. Third one zero. Third one zero. Last one zigzag. Do you know zigzag? Muranpada irukku solluvaanga illaya? That is zigzag. Okay, once again I'll repeat it. The first one zip, zip. Second one zoo. Second one zoo. Third one zero. Third one zero. Last one zigzag. Okay. Students, now we have an activity. Look at the slide. Yes. See the slide carefully, students. Beginning sound. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sound. Okay. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sound. You have circled the picture that the two pictures have same beginning sound. You will find it and next you have circled this. It's clear? Circle the pictures with the same beginning sound. In the picture with the same beginning sounds, you have circled this. Okay? See the first one. What is the first picture? A. First one, tomato. Yes. Second one, turtle. Turtle. Last one, mouse. Last one, mouse. Which one is matched? Yes, the first one and second one have same beginning sound. Yes or no? Yes. First one, tomato. The beginning sound, t. Second picture, turtle. The beginning sound, t. The two pictures have same beginning sound. So you have circled the tomato picture and turtle picture. Okay. Now show the slide. Students, see the slide carefully. Okay. I circle the two pictures. The two pictures have same beginning sound. The sound is ch. Okay. Balance of your activity. Please do this. Okay. See the picture carefully and say the words and find the beginning sound. It's clear? Already first one is I done. Okay. Look at the slide carefully, students, and next you will do this. Okay. Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Yes, the whole word session. Students, in the last class we learnt two whole words. The first one is in and second one is of. Okay. Today class we learn three whole words. We will learn three whole words. The first one is A. The first one is A. Okay. Okay. Next we see the examples. Okay. The first one is, now I say one example. A mouse is in my house. In my house. Where is the whole word is? comes after A. I box the whole word A. Okay. In the whole session we learned we will learn three whole word. The first one is A. Okay. The first one is A. Now given some example for the whole word A using A. For the first example is, your mouse is in my house. Your mouse is in my house. Second one is, Kiran draws a building. Kiran draws a building. Okay. Now look at the slide. The first whole word is A. Okay. Yeah. And next we will see the examples. A mouse in my house. A mouse in my house. Okay. A. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. In I-N. In my. M-Y. My. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. A mouse in my house. It's clear. The whole word A they boxed. Okay. Look at the whole word, students. They already boxed. Okay. Now go to the next example. Kiran draws a building. Kiran draws a building. Kiran, K-I-R-A-N. Kiran draws, D-R-A-W-S. Draws a building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Okay. Kiran draws a building. It's clear. Now go to the next whole word. Okay. Students, the next whole word is and. Okay. The next whole word is and. A-N, and. Okay. Now let's see some examples. The first example is, anyone say? Okay. Now I see the examples. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. Find the whole word and, students, in this sentence. A-N, and. Okay. I box the whole word and. Okay. The second example is, a man draws an igloo. Draws an igloo. Do you know igloo? It's made from ice. Igloo. Okay. Where is the whole word and? A-N, and. Okay. Okay. The second whole word is and let's see some examples. The first example is, I eat an apple. The second one is, a man draws an igloo. Draws an igloo. Okay. Now go to the slide. Look at the slide, students. The second whole word is and. The second whole word is and. Next we will see the examples. The first one is, I eat an apple. Okay. I eat an apple. The I eat, E-A-T, eat, and A-N, and apple, A-P-P-L-E. Okay. I eat an apple. Now go to the next example. Rohan draws an igloo. Okay. Rohan draws an igloo. R-O-H-A-N, Rohan draws. D-R-A-W-S. Draws means varied. And igloo. It is one type of house made from ice. Okay. People made from ice. Rohan draws an igloo. Okay. Draws, D-R-A-W-S. Draws and A-N, and igloo, I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Okay. It's clear. Now go to the next whole word, students. Students, the next whole word is see. S-E-E, okay. The third whole word is see. Okay. Next we will see the examples. Okay. Now I write the example. I can see you. Okay. I can see you. Where is the whole word see? Yes, it comes after can. S-E-E-C. Okay. The second example is, the mouse sees the cat. The mouse sees the cat. Sees the cat. C. S-E-E-C. Okay, the mouse sees the cat. The third whole word is see. Okay, next you see the example. The first example is I can see you. I can see you. Next one, the mouse sees the cat. The mouse sees the cat. Okay, now go to the slide. See the slide, students. Yes, the third whole word is see. And next see the examples. I can see you. I can see you. I can C-A-N can see. S-E-E see you. Y-O-U. I can see you. I can see you. Okay. Now go to the next example. The mouse sees the cat. The mouse sees the cat. The T-H-E the mouse M-O-U-S-E mouse sees S-E-E yes sees the T-H-E the cat C-A-T cat. The mouse sees the cat. Okay, it's clear, students. Next you have a activity. Okay, look at the slide. Color the words provided below. Whole words. Color the words provided below. கீழ கொடுத்திருக்க words க்கு you have color. Okay, you have choose any color and color the 3 whole words. In the whole word session we learnt 3 whole word. Yes, the first one is A, the second one is and third one is C. It's clear? Now go to the next one. Students, please note down your notebook and do the homework. Okay? Now go to the next one. Yes. The next, this is also your activity. Find the word. Okay? They given many words, but you have find the only 3 whole word. Okay? The first, they given many word. You have find the whole word. Okay? The first one, O-X, ox. Second one, F-A-N, fan. Third one, van. V-A-N, van. O-I-L, oil. A. A is your whole word, students. So you have circled the whole word. Turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle, quill. Q-U-I-L, quill. Okay. In this, they given many words, but you have only circled the whole word. It's clear. Now go to the next one. Okay. The first one, star. S-T-A-R, star. Second one, M-A-T, mat. Third one, S-U-N, sun. Fourth one, W-A-T-E-R, water. Fifth one, C-A-T, cat. Last one, A-N, and. You have circled the word and. Yes, this is the whole word we learnt in the whole word session, students. Okay, it's clear. Once again repeat it. The first word is star. The second word is mat. Third word is sun. Fourth word is water. Fifth word is cat. Last word is and. Okay, it's clear. Now go to the next one. Okay, sea. S-E-E, sea. Mat. M-A-T, mat. Sea is here. Sea is the whole word. So you have circled the word. Okay. Next one, mix. M-I-X, mix. Last one, fourth one, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Fifth one, C-A-T, cat. Sixth one, M-A-N, man. Okay. First one, see. You have to circle the word see. Second one, mat, mix, watch, cat, man. It's clear? This is your activity, students. Please do this. Okay. Next. Yes. Color the words you hear. Color the words you hear. In the whole word session, we learnt 3 whole words. The first one is A. The second one is and third one is C. You have colored only 3 whole word. Okay. First one is A. Second one is and third one is C. It's clear, students. Now go to the next session. Okay. What is the next session? Yes, reading and listening comprehensions. Okay. Are you ready? The last time we learned the parts of the storybook. Yes or no? Yes. What is the parts of the storybooks? Anyone say? Okay. Parts of the storybooks. What are the parts of the storybooks? Parts of the story book. And first one is, what is the first one, students? Yes, front cover. First one is front cover. Second one is back cover. Third one is title. Fourth one is author. Fifth one is, what is the fifth one? Yes, that is page number. These are parts of the storybook. First one front cover, second one back cover, third one title, fourth one author name, last one page number. Okay, students, see the book. Okay, students, see the storybook. First you will find title of the story. What is the title in the storybook? Bubble Trouble. This is the title of the storybook. Okay, Bubble Trouble. Okay, first you will find the front cover. This is front cover. Okay, this is front cover. It's clear? Now go to the next, back cover. This is back cover. Okay, this is back cover. Next one, title. The top, Bubble Trouble. This is title of the story. Next you will find author. Who is author? The story who has written. Okay, the story who has written. Yaar in the story write pannavanga avanga da yaru? Author. Okay, who has written the story is called author. Okay, who has written the story is called author. Author na yaru? Eludunadu kadaiya eluduna kadaiyaasiriyar. Last one, page number. Open in the storybook, you will find in the corner. Yes, page number. Yes, this page number. It's clear? Now look at the slide. Okay, look at the slide, students. These are parts of the storybook. First one is front cover. Next one is back cover. Next, title, name of the storybook. Yes or no? Yes, the title of name of the storybook. Next, author, the person who has written the story. The person who has written the storybook. Last one is page number. Last one is page number. Okay. Now go to the next one. Okay. See the slide. See the slides, students. What do you see in these slides? Characters. Who are characters? Characters are people and animals in the story. Yes, they are called characters. Characters are the people and animals in the story. Okay, example of the some characters are provided below. Okay, look at the slide. They given many characters. First one, Rohan, Ria, mother, dog. Okay, what is a character means? Characters are people and animals in the story. It's clear? Characters are people and animals in the story. Okay, it's clear? Now go to the next one. Making text to self-connection. Making text to self-connection. What is the meaning? Making text to self-connection. I given the brief explanation. Okay. A text to self-connection is when you read a story. When you read a story and it makes you think about something that happened with you. Okay. இப்போ நீங்கள் ஒரு ஸ்டோரி புக் ரீட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஸ்டோரியில் வர ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆக்ஷன் வந்து உன் லைஃப்பில் நடந்த மாதிரி உனக்கு தோணும். எக்ஸாக்ட்லி. ஓகே, இப்போ வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் they given one example. When I read the story The Happy Mouse, I made me think about the time when I saw a mouse running in my house. Yes, நான் இந்த ஸ்டோரியை ரீட் பண்ணும்போது எங்கள் வீட்டில் வந்து மவுஸ் ஓடி போனது எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வந்துச்சு. ஓகே, மேக்கிங் டெக்ஸ்ட் டு செல்ஃப் கனெக்ஷன். அந்த ஸ்டோரியை ரீட் பண்ணும்போது அதில் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஹேப்பன்ஸ் நடந்தது அப்படின்னா அது வந்து உன் லைஃப்பில் நடந்துச்சுன்னா அது உனக்கு ஞாபகம் வரும். அதான் மேக்கிங் டெக்ஸ்ட் டு செல்ஃப் கனெக்ஷன். ஓகே, when you read a story and it makes you think about something that happened with you. Okay, when you read a story and it makes you think about something that happened with you. Okay, it's clear. அந்த ஸ்டோரி ரீட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஸ்டோரியில் ஏதாவது ஒரு விஷயம் நடந்தது அப்படின்னா அந்த விஷயம் வந்து உன் லைஃப்பில் நடந்திருக்கு. ஏதாவது உன் வாழ்க்கை முன்னாடி இருந்தது. இப்போ வந்து இந்த ஹாப்பி மவுஸில் வந்து இந்த மவுஸ் பற்றி வந்தது இல்லையா? இப்போ அந்த இதை வந்து இந்த ஸ்டோரியை நீ ரீட் பண்ணும்போது எங்கள் வீட்டில் நான் மவுஸ் பார்த்தேன், இது ஓடி போச்சு அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து உனக்கு ஞாபகம் வரும். அதான் you're making text to self connection. Okay, when you read a story and it makes you think about something happened with you, something that happened with you. It's clear? Now go to the next one. Okay, students, next we go to the vocabulary words. Okay, see the slide. Look at the slide, students. Vocabulary words. First one is family. Okay, already we learned these vocabulary words. Yes or no? Yes. The first one is family. Second one is mother. Third one is father. Fourth one is sister. And sixth one happy. Fifth one is dance. Okay. The first vocabulary word is family. What is the meaning? Family, kudumbam. Family. Okay. Second one is mother. Second one is mother. Amma. Mother. Next one is father. Appa. Father. Next one is sister. Tangachila appa. Sister. Fifth one is dance. What is the meaning? Dance. Dance pannadhu. Aadunadu. Okay. Dance. Sixth one is what is the sixth one? Happy. What is the meaning? Happy. You feel very happy. What is the happier? Okay. Yeah. Already we learned these vocabulary words, students. In this session we recap. Okay. The first one is family. The second one is mother. Third one is father. Fourth one is sister. Fifth one is dance. And sixth one is happy. Okay. Now see the slide. Yes, the first word is family. See the picture. This is family picture. Second one mother. Okay. Third one father. Fourth one is sister. Fifth one is dance. Sixth one happy. It's clear? Now go to the next one. Okay. See the slide, students. These vocabulary words also we learnt. Okay. Just we recap the vocabulary words. The first one is building. What is the meaning building? It is very huge. It has many house and many apartments. Okay. First one is building. Second one is cave. Third one is hut. Hut means kudisi veedu. Fourth one is boat house. What is the meaning boat house? A house which is made on the boat. Okay. A house which is made on the boat. This is boat house. Last one is teacher. Okay. Who teaches a lesson? The teacher. Teacher da enna பண்ணுவாங்க? Teach பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay. Once again repeat it. The first vocabulary word is building. Second one is cave. Third one is hut. Fourth one is boat house. Last one is teacher. Okay. Now go to the next one. Okay. In these whole words are learned in the last class. Yes. One time we recap the whole words. Okay, sorry, vocabulary words. The first word is house. The first word is house. Second word is kitchen. Kitchen, we prepare food, okay, in the kitchen. Next one is garden. Next one is, fourth one is bed. Next one is room. Next one is room. Okay, once again read it. Please follow me. First one is house. Second one kitchen. Third one garden. Next one bed. Last one room. It's clear? Now go to the next one. Yes, this is your activity, students. Match the words with pictures. Match words with pictures. They given many pictures. You have match the correct word. Okay, correct word. The first one happy. The first one happy. Sorry, first one hat. Second one happy. Third one family. Fourth one is building. Last one is next one houseboat. Last one dance. Okay, this is your activity, students. Do this. Suppose you don't have worksheet book, write down your notebook and next do this. Okay, match words with pictures. First one hat. Second one happy. Hat means what? Kudisai veedu. Happy, magilchiya irukku. Next one family, kudumbam. Next one building. Next one houseboat. Next one dance. Okay, this is your activity and do this. Okay, students, today class we revise the letter sounds O to Z, and the whole word session we learnt 3 whole words. Yes, the first one is A and second one is and third one is C, and next we learnt many vocabulary words and we have activity also. I hope today's class all are understood. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, students. Take care.